Good morning. It's chilly out here. It feels good.
Yeah, it does. It's still pretty dark though.
I know. I'm so tired. It's rough.
It is.
Hey, Tux. Hey, boys. How you doing? Hey, Stripey. Come on. He's like, I'm waiting for Tux's good stuff, Mom. There comes Ruby, and she's all clean again today. I think we've got 3 days of sun and higher temps on tap, so she should stay looking nice. The price you pay, nice looking car, hotter temps. No rain. You gonna put a little product on my window so it doesn't squeak?
Yeah, I'm trying.
Yeah, what you putting at Giroux?
It's just liquid wax.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what our mobile guy told us to do. If the window squeaks a little bit, just put a little lubricant on it, and then usually that takes right care of it.
Yeah, it's kind of funny. You would think this would be all smeary, but it actually doesn't do that.
Thanks, Donnie. Hate to roll down the window and half the world know I rolled it down. It lasts for a good time, long time after he does that. It's just been a while. Hey, Gray Girls. Good morning. How are my cute stuffs? Hi. Alright, it's time to hop in Ruby and get on down the road. I'm dragging a bit this morning and it's Monday. Good morning, Ruby. Yeah, it's already 6:42. That's not good. It's not too late, 7:20, but we don't have any spare time now at all. 24.11 is installing on Jules. Ruby did not get the download yet. The sun's acting like it's a little tired this morning too. Pretty sure it's supposed to be a sunny day though. We have successful drop off. There's just a little bit of sunny sky color now. I don't think I have any stops to make. I'm just headed back home to go walk with Dawn. Hopefully there won't be so much new trash down on the side of the road that will get disgusted to start the day off. I made us promise to each other that we wouldn't get too upset when we saw new trash down because we knew that was going to happen sooner than later. Hi, kitties. Is everybody comfortable? So So 24.11 has finished going on Jules. And what can you do now, Donnie? Show us.
You can just tap on the range and it switches.
Switches between, yeah, between miles and percent left.
Yeah.
Way cool. Well,
Yeah.
Don's really been wanting that. My understanding is that they didn't add that to the X and the S. I have no earthly idea why.
No idea.
No idea. Yeah. All right, we're off. Off on a Monday morning. That feels like a double Monday to me today for some reason. It's probably because I didn't sit yesterday. You know, I finally figured out why I didn't get all my stand hours. I only had 9 out of 12 stand hours. It's because my battery was at 10% while I was cooking. And I went and I put it on the charger, my watch battery, my Apple Watch. And I didn't think I put it back on for like 3 hours because I knew I had all my steps for the day. I wasn't worried about getting another couple hundred steps walking around the kitchen. I forgot that meant I wouldn't get my stand hours. Oh well, so much for a perfect week.
Well, it's Monday. They'll be cutting grass. Even though they cut it Thursday, they're just out of sync.
Yeah, I actually saw they were cutting as I walked by this morning. But thankfully, I don't see a lot of trash over here. I did pick up one crushed lighter out of the road, but that's it so far. Yep, there they go. They haven't started blowing yet, though. Actually, the blower is more annoying than the lawnmower, so. We're making good time. This is the start of lap 3. It's a pretty day, though. I'm not in too much of a rush to be off the trail today. We're a little late today, so Don's bypassing the run to the house.
Yeah, 54:58, so 55 minutes. 6,210 steps, and it's still, here it comes. And our pace was 19:35 per mile.
Okay. I was not fast today. Not fast enough to get us into the 18s. I came upstairs to pick a couple of Halloween inflatables to put out after I mow the grass the next time. And I'm gonna have to, I think, the little projector and maybe the ones I want are in this box. I think someone found the new bed I put in there for them. Let's see. Hi, is that gonna meet with your approval? Hi. You're a good boy. Yeah, and Don built that little wooden frame underneath those steps for me yesterday to raise it up one notch better. I think it's perfect now. It's really not to help him get inside the hutch. It's really to help him get on top, to make it easier on him, especially the down. That thing I had up there that came with the hutch, which worked great for rabbits, wasn't good for a 13-pound mini panther, right? All right, I got down the stick figures, as I call them, that I wanted from the attic and have put them up. That didn't take much effort. I did stow, put away, do a little general cleaning up in the attic while I was up there too. And I have lots of help right now, including Mittens. Hey, Mitt. Hey, Mitt. Hi. Like I said, I have lots of help right now. Everyone wants to help. They didn't like the stick figures, but, oh, are you gonna play with Mittens if she does that, Marty? You gonna play with her? I found this other Fisher-Price Little People toy upstairs. When you pull on the bat, the ghost pops up, and when you roll this, the back wheel's catching a little bit, but the pumpkin and the kitty cat inside, they move. The one wheel's catching a little bit. And this, of course, opens up, and there's another little girl in there, and this in the front switches monsters, and I don't know, that probably does something too. Anyway, I don't remember it too much, but I found it and I thought it was cute and I brought it down. So I am going to spend the rest of my time working on the original bin I brought home last week. A lot of these parts need cleaned, and Yeah, that's what I'm going to work on. I got an hour and 45 minutes till I got to leave to go get Johnny. And rather than start on a brand new building, I thought I really ought to finish my sorting stuff. Usable, clean, friends pieces. Keep out separate. Washed. Part of a couple of sets that were in the bin. Still need to sort through. I just couldn't quite do them all. And parts that need washed, things to donate back to Guardian Angel. I'm on my way to get Johnny. Definitely bright sunshine this afternoon. I'll let you know in a little bit what the temperature is out there, but I'm sure it's in the 80s. Ruby says it's 77, but I just pulled her out of the garage, so I'll give that a few minutes to be more accurate. So Ruby says it's 89. It's a pretty afternoon, but no fluffy white clouds in the sky today. Just gonna head back home with Johnny. No taekwondo tonight, no appointments tonight. I'll probably finish the Legos, cook dinner. The usual suspects, but not a lot of pressure to juggle too many things at one time today, which I like. I don't know if I can get close enough to it or how good it will or won't show up on the video, but this Kia is wrapped. It's sort of pink on the back, but tan on the sides. It's kind of has an interesting wrap. Yeah, it would be easier for you to tell if I could behind it from the side. But anyway, I hadn't seen a Kia with the wrap before. Only 93 miles today. Ruby's got 110 miles of rated range left. But I really don't think I'm going back out, so I'm going to plug her in. It was a very uneventful trip home today. You're off work on time.
Yeah, that's right. You start early, you get off a little early.
I hear that. Well, I have maybe 30 more minutes till I'm done with the Legos. I'm washing the older dirty ones. There was like brand new shiny clean ones in that bin and really old, but they go to that fortress thing. Oh. So I don't know how motivated I am at this time, say this month, to deal with it. But February cold, nasty outside. Right. I don't know room for another house. That won't happen. But you know, I might try to put it together. That fortress thing would be worth selling. It's not something I have a personal interest in keeping, but okay. We'll see. Anyway, I'm going to clean them up, store them, and we'll go from there.
Sounds good.
So there'll be bricks laying all over the counter tonight.
All right.
But how many have you stepped on in the last 6 months? I am pretty good about, unless the cats come behind me and assist.
Yeah, as long as things don't help her, she's good.
Dawn's doing a quick honeydew for me. Yeah. We just had dinner. I made the broccoli, egg, and cheese casserole again, and we had a steak to go along with it, and my feet are up. We are watching our video and other TV.
Well, I'd say we did good.